right, here it goes. 1, 2, 3. This is actually... Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing an unboxing of a new phone case and a new AirPod case. So I got a new phone case from CASETiFY and a new AirPods case from Amazon, and I decided that I'm going to be doing an unboxing. So I'm going to be starting off with opening up my new phone case, and this phone case is from CASETiFY. And if you are unfamiliar with CASETiFY, CASETiFY is a really great brand that makes amazing phone cases. Not only are CASETiFY phone cases so pretty and so nice, but they are also very protective and can survive a 6-foot drop. The phone case that is currently on my phone right now is actually from CASETiFY, and it is one of the customizable phone cases. And if you didn't know, CASETiFY's phone cases, well, some of them you can actually customize to have your name or whatever you want written on it. And for mine, I just have my name on it. And I have these stickers here, and they are all customizable. The color of the glitter, which is gold, is also customizable. And there are so many options you can do with these phone cases, or you can just choose a design and choose the color of the border or the actual color of the case. And I think it's really, really cool. There are so many options with CASETiFY phone cases. If you are interested in checking out CASETiFY's website, which I highly recommend that you do, I will have a link to their website in the description box below. If you enjoy this video, please consider subscribing, but without further ado, let's get started. So the CASETiFY phone cases come in this envelope from CASETiFY. And it says CASETiFY all over it, which I really like. Here's a close-up of what the envelope looks like from CASETiFY. I really like it. Okay, so this is what it looks like. So my phone case is inside this red box, and in gold it says Go Away 2020, which I think is fitting, and it says CASETiFY on the bottom and on the top, and I really like it. And this, I'm actually not sure what this is. Let's actually open this up right now, because I don't know what this is. Okay, so these are actually wipes, so that you can wipe your phone case, which I think is great, especially during this time. I think it's very thoughtful that they put wipes for the phone cases. I think it's very fitting for the time right now. Okay, so now it is time for the reveal of my new phone case. I've never seen it in person, but I'm sure it's gonna look better in real life than on the picture. All right, here it goes. 1, 2, 3. Wow, this is actually so pretty, and it does look better in real life. So this is what's inside the box. All right, let's take the phone case out of the box. Wow, it looks so nice. I love it. And guys, can you tell that I absolutely love daisies? Look at how pretty this phone case is. And it matches my Apple Watch perfectly. I love this phone case so much. I also have a matching mini backpack to my phone case, and my shirt, and my Apple Watch band. All right, everyone, let's put the new phone case onto my phone. So my phone is now in my new phone case. I absolutely love it. This is just so pretty. Just take a look at this. This phone case is so pretty. It's really protective, and it feels very sturdy in my hands. It's not slippery, and it feels like really good quality. This definitely has to be my new favorite phone case. I absolutely love it. But wait guys, so I have a matching shirt to my new phone case. I have an Apple Watch band, and I even have a scrunchie too that matches. I also have a mini backpack, but I think there's one more thing that's missing. My new AirPod case. It matches. Let's open this up right away. That's right, everyone. I also got a matching AirPod case now. This is so nice. All right, let's put my AirPods inside of my new AirPods case. My phone case has the new phone case on, and my AirPods, and I absolutely love it. Here's the close-up of the phone case and the AirPod case. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing for more content. I hope everyone is staying safe, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day. Thank you for watching. Bye!